class BA1145B. So today I would like to present about the company analysis. The company that we choose in final year report is Petronas Gas Berhad. Petronas Gas Berhad is a Malaysian gas infrastructure and utility company owned by Malaysian Nationalised Oil Corporation that we call Petronas. Petronas Gas divides its primary operation into 4 divisions, which are gas processing, gas transportation, utilities, and regasification. While each of these contributes significantly to the company's total revenue, the majority is generated by its gas processing and gas transportation units. Established in 1974 and wholly owned by the government Malaysian, the corporation is based with the entire oil and gas resources in Malaysia and is entrusted with the responsibility of developing and adding values to these resources. Petronas is the ranked among Fortune Global 500 largest corporation in the world. Move to the next. The vision of the company is a leading gas infrastructure and utilities company. PETRONAS has a 5 mission, which is we are a business entity, gas infrastructure and utility is our core business. We operate safely, reliably and competitively. And the last one is we optimize the gas value chain. Then the values of this company are loyalty that faithful to commitments. Next, integrity that we do the right thing. Last but not least, professionalism that being punctual, and the last one is cohesiveness that we are sticking together. Then about the principal activity of this company, Petroleum is a Malaysian leading international petroleum corporation, a fully integrated oil and gas corporation with wide network of operation around the world. The core business of PETRONAS is petroleum. The primary business activities of PETRONAS can be divided into international operation, upstream oil and gas exploration and production, and downstream oil refining. Marketing and distribution of petroleum products. Core business activities are exploration and product business undertaken by E&P, subsidiary PETRONAS to explore, develop, and international customer. Then, downstream activities are the oil business and venture into the petrochemical industry. PETRONAS subsidiary PCM, which Petronas Chemical Marketing Sdn Berhad, markets and tracks petrochemical products to both Malaysian and international customers. In the corporate information, we have chairman, managing director, and non-executive director. For the major shareholder, we have the top 10 company that have a big amount in the equities of the company, which are the Government of Malaysia, Employee Provide Fund, Kumpulan Wang Persaraan, Permodalan Nasional Berhad. The Vanguard Group include the Public Mutual Berhad, Great Eastern Life Assurance Co. Ltd, Lembaga Tabung Haji, Spring Investment in Singapore Ltd, and Bumi Putra Investment Foundation. For the recent development of the company, Petronas Gas Berhad offers future capability building program focused on bringing out the full potential of the diverse talent team across the geography boundaries, ensuring a high level of technical competence. PETRONAS nurture a high-performance workforce through the strong partnership with their learning institution to meet the around world's growing energy needs. Pushing the boundaries of technology and innovation, PETRONAS have pioneered a groundbreaking achievement that changed the landscape of liquefied natural gas production forever. The best technology solution allow PETRONAS to unlock the new opportunity and works smarter in their quest to deliver energy. From the search for hydrocarbons to extending a fight left, PETRONAS have developed the right tools to deliver the value. PETRONAS also are dedicated to finding the right technical solution for the field, from effective geoimaging solution to cost-effective ways to removing contaminants. The prospect of the company is the company continues to offer decent dividend yields, and a large part of its income from the secure long-term sources. About the 19% of the group's earnings are derived from fixed regulated tariff from gas transformation assets and a long-term agreement with Petronas for its regasification and the processing businesses. Additionally, PETRONAS is in the value chain that provide access to relatively cleaner gas. Quarter-on-quarter decline of 20% was mainly attributed to increased operating expenditure on the back of the higher internal gas consumption. Fuel gas and maintenance costs are contribution from joint ventures as a result of one-off higher tax provision. For the competitors, we chose MMC Corporation Berhad, that a Malaysian utility and infrastructure conglomerate with diverse size businesses under 3 divisions, which is energy and utilities, port and logistics, and engineering. The current market capital for this company was recorded at 83.84 billion, meanwhile PETRONAS only 832 and 28 billion. Based on the pie chart in our final year report, we can conclude that MMC Corporation by the biggest market, controlled by 72.20%, with market capitalization of 83.84 billion. On the second place, which is Petronas Gas Berhad, that hold 27.18% of the market control with 32.28 billion of the market capitalization. Lastly, about the SWOT analysis that include from the strength, weakness, opportunity, and risks. The strength of the Petronas Gas Berhad company is it one of the largest company in the box. In terms of market capitalization, the company was initially the wholly owned subsidiary of the Petgas, which open listing on 16.63% of its share. Next, the employment scam through the email. Based on the research, Petronas was one of the job requirement scam via email. The modus operandi of the party or parties behind the scam is to make the Petronas requirement department and charge job seeker a certain amount of the money to secure job opportunities. That is the weakness of this company. Next one is the opportunities of this company are increases in fuel or oil prices. The increase was mainly due to higher gas production from fields in Peninsular Malaysia to support the shortfall in the imported gas. Next one is the tricks that the Petronas may face are the government regulation that can make the resulted in the loss of revenue to the government because of the foreign oil company did not properly inform to the government regarding the oil exploration activities in their own concessions.
I think that's all for today. Thank you.